Hey everyone, I am here at our latest closing. This is 9 units here in Santa Ana. We just closed this property for $3,105,000. For 9 units, that equates to $345,000 per unit. And I want to talk about the history on this property. This is the 4th time we have sold this property. And the ownership that we just sold it for, we have completed 7 property sales for them. This is their last property here in California. They're divesting and going out of state. We helped the new buyer acquire this asset. The ownership spent over $1 million on this property, renovating the interiors. There's 8 1-bedroom, 1-bath units and 1 2-bedroom, 1-bath unit. And the in-place rents from spending over $1 million on the interior and exterior of the property, they are getting $2,300 to $2,500 for 1-bedrooms and $3,245 for the 2-bedroom, 1-bath unit, which equates to a closing price cap rate of 6.3%. That's on in-place rents. This was a labor of love for our investors who went through and renovated this property. We sold it to them back in 2020 for $1,900,000. And then shortly thereafter, in November of 2021, rent control hit within Santa Ana. And then shortly thereafter, sales comps started to get a little bit more sluggish and property values started dropping. But this is a high watermark sale. Of the 20 properties that have sold in Santa Ana over the past year, between 5 and 100 units, this is the highest price per unit to close at $345,000 a unit. And we want to walk around the property and show this asset off to everybody in the marketplace, as this group that we've sold this property for, and again, is that we sold 6 other assets for, we've gotten so much interest in the properties that we've marketed and sold for them. There's so many buyers that have come to us and said, I love the design, I love what they've done here, I've loved the rents that they were able to get, what type of interior upgrades did they do to the property. So it's been great working with this group, and we're also happy to get a good sales price for the market here in Santa Ana too. There's just been, kind of properties sitting on the market. It's taking longer to get properties closed. Comps are starting to hit at lower values. So we're happy to announce for the owners here in Santa Ana that we did hit a high watermark comp, and hopefully that'll help you with the equity positions in your buildings. All right, so let's walk on through and take a look at the exterior. So this was the 2-bedroom, 1-bath right here. And it's just got such a good look to it. And the owner went in and really kept the integrity of the architecture and the design here. They didn't go in and modernize the asset too much. Kept the stairs, kept the windows. They had to per code. And this is located in French Park. So this is a tree-lined street area, little community. There's walking distance to so many little coffee shops, little restaurants. There's actually a distillery down the street. You've got access to freeways, but this is a cool little neighborhood. So this is one of my favorite areas here in Santa Ana. All right, thanks so much for watching this video on the sale of 425 East Wellington Avenue here in Santa Ana. If you own a multifamily property here in Orange County and are wanting to know the equity position in your property, we're past the election. We've gotten through Prop 33, that's behind us. We're not having to worry about stricter rent controls within the foreseeable future. So we have a little bit more of a clear path forward. So if you're thinking about a disposition of a property, or maybe you just want to know the equity position in your multifamily asset, feel free to reach out to our team. We're here and happy to help. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon.